Good morning, 8th grade math. It's Wednesday, November the 18th, 2020. We're writing linear equations in the slope-intercept form, which means that y equals m, which is the slope, x plus b, which is the y-intercept. So you'll be asked to find the slope and the y-intercept of graphs of linear equations in the form y equals mx plus b. Both slope and y-intercept can be identified from the wording of a problem. Y-intercept, b. So there's no initial or beginning value, which means b equals 0. A non-zero beginning or starting means that b does not equal 0. Okay, so it means it's either going to be plus or minus something, mx plus or minus something, or it'll be just mx and nothing else. The slope. A rate indicates slope, m. A change for some variable. If it's increasing, m is going to be greater than 0. And obviously, if it's decreasing, m is going to be less than 0. So, the concession stand has 500 pom-poms before the game. The fans bought them at a rate of 25 per minute. How long will it take for the supply to be gone? Well, B is going to be 500. Now, they're leaving at a rate, it's going to be negative because they're being sold each minute. So what else do you know? In the equation, y equals 0. All of the pom-poms are sold. So y equals mx plus b. 0 equals negative 25t plus 500. So in this case, you just divide 500 by 25 and you get 20. So at this rate, the pom-poms will be gone in 20 minutes. All 500. Question 1. The race begins at a rate of 1.5 meters per second. What distance d is covered after t seconds? Okay, so the y-intercept is going to be 0 because the race is just starting. The slope is going to be 1.5. So y is going to equal 1.5x. And that's it. The race is beginning, and it's going to begin at 1.5 meters per second. So in this case, instead of using y, they use d. So d equals 1.5x. Okay. 50 azalea plants arrive at a florist shop on the first day of the week. After that, they arrive at an average of 75 plants per day. How many plants will be at the shop after T days? Okay, so we know that they're leaving the shop at the rate of 70, or coming to the shop at the rate of 75 plants a day. So that's the slope, 75. The y-intercept, they got 50. So the equation will be t, because they're using t days, equals 75, and I'm going to use p. P plus 50. And it's going to be plus 75 because they're getting them in. So the equation will be 75p plus 50. Okay? As I said in yesterday's video, this is not that difficult a concept, but it's challenging for some people. All right? So I'm going to write the code word today. That is today's Wednesday's code word. Mean hyphen mean. Have a good morning, and I expect to see you all at 10 a.m. on Zoom.